You can choose anyone and play around this. There are so many options they have given you. Whatever you like, use that. For example, if I choose this one, minimal, now you can move this text anywhere. If you want to put it here, you can do it. If you want to put it down, resize it, you can. If you want to change the font style. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will learn more about Magic Studio of Canva Pro. Let's begin the video. I have created a dedicated video on this magic switch feature. I will give the link in the description and in the I button also, so that you can go through this video and learn this new feature of Canva Magic Studio. In today's video, we will be going to learn about the rest of the options. For using Magic Studio, new feature of Canva, you should have a pro account. These features are not available for the free users. So if you people want to have the pro account, I will give a link in the description. You can click on it and go to the Canva site and find out their packages, and can have one package from there which suits you. And for more queries, you can comment in the video. I will reply you. Let's begin with this option, Magic Animate. Click over here and you will be having the guidelines how to use it. Try it from here, open it, and there are the guidelines which I have given, and you can use these to get started how to use this Magic Animate option here. So let's try it how it works. They have given you this presentation to test how to use Magic Animate. Select this presentation slide, go to Animate, Magic Animate. They will show you recommended animation styles, digital, alternative, elegant. So choose anyone. For example, if I choose this, you can choose anyone and play around this. There are so many options they have given you. Whatever you like, use that. For example, if I choose this one, minimal, and it is animated. Select this, and we may use this animation style, and you will be having this. Your design has been animated. Select the last one, or you can use a portion of that and can apply. You can use like any other options like this one. In this way, you have animated your presentation in different magic animation styles. Let's move to other option, that is magic grab. How will it work? Let's check it. In this magic grab, you can grab a particular portion of your design. For example, if I select this and go to the edit photo, here is the magic grab. If I click on it, it will grab the flower which is in the picture. I can move this flower now anywhere else. So in this way you can use this magic grab. Try it yourself and let me know in the comments. In this you can do one more thing. You can grab the text also. For that, let's have any of the image. Select any image from the Google. I will select this one and copy this image from here and directly paste it here. So how can you grab the text from the image? Go to the edit photo after selecting the image, and here is the text, grab text option. Click over here. It will take some time and then it will extract the text from the image. Now you can move this text anywhere. If you want to put it here, you can do it. If you want to put it down, resize it, you can. If you want to change the font style, you can apply different font style on it, and even you can change the color. So in this way you can use magic grab option. Let's go to the next option, which is magic expand. How will it work? Let me have one new file, and I want to add this. I want to expand it. Select it, go to edit photo, apply magic expand, and select the expand style. For example, I want it in this way, and click on magic expand. Let's see what happened. Now you can see that this is expanded, and if it's okay, you can select this one, or otherwise you are having more options. Try this one. It will be like this. Try this one. It is like this. I think this one is more appropriate. I will select this and done. So in this way you can try new Magic Studio features of Canva. If you like the video, just give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel, and let me know in the comments which feature of Magic Studio like the most. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.